Concept of crime, law, and justice. The 1987 Philippine Constitution created the three great powers of the government, where one of the basic repercussions is the separation of powers. What are the three government branches? Legislative, judiciary, and executive branch. First is the legislative branch, consists of the Senate and a House of Representatives. Power to create laws lies in this branch. Executive branch, composed of the office of the President. The President has the power to create presidential decrees during martial law, executive orders, proclamation numbers, and administrative orders that have a power and effect of laws. Judicial branch, power to check and balance the constitutionality of the laws created. Limitation on the power of the lawmaking body to enact penal legislation. The Bill of Rights of the 1987 Constitution imposes the following limitation. No ex post facto law or bill of attainder shall be enacted. Article 3, Section 22. No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without due process of law. Article 3, Section 14. Ex post facto law makes an act done before the passage of the law in which was innocent when done and punishes such an act. No retroactive. Bill of attainder is a legislative act which inflicts punishment without trial. Its essence is the substitution of a legislative act for a judicial determination of guilt. Due process. The scope of criminal justice system is anchored on the violation of laws that are criminal in nature. It could be a violation of public or municipal law or special law. Criminal law is that branch or division of law which defines crime, threats of their nature, and provide for their punishment. The RPC is amendment, special penal laws passed by the Philippine Commission. Generality, territoriality, prospectivity. Generality kay mo ni silang muning katong mag-sojourn o nagpakasyon makadiri as long as na sila sa Pilipinas, dapat makabide sila sa law. Generality, that the criminal law is binding to all persons who live or sojourn in the Philippines except as provided in the treaties and laws of preferential application. Example of a treaty or treaty stipulation as exemption is the Visiting Force Agreement or VPA. Another exemption from the operation criminal law are the sovereign and other chief of state, ambassador, minister plenipotentiary, minister residents, and charge d'affaires. Territoriality kaysa territory. Jurisdiction, that the criminal law punishes crime committed within the Philippine territory Crime is an act committed or emitted in violation of public law. Crime can be legally categorized as follows. Offense is an act or omission punishable by special law. Felony is an act or omission punishable by revised penal code. Pag-offense, punishable sa special law, while felony, revised penal code. Misdemeanor infraction of laws is punishable sa mga city ordinance, municipal, or barangay. Malayinsi and malaprohibita. Malayinsi is ano siya wrong or evil, while malaprohibita dili siya mali pero gipagbawal. Dolo is means deceit. He must have freedom while doing the act or failing to do the act. He must have intelligence while doing the act or failing to do the act. And must have intent while doing the act or failing to do the act. Tonight, what a felony. Deceit or culpa. He must have freedom while doing the act or failing to do the act. He must have intelligence. kabalo siya na siya freedom tas negligence. Yeah. When a warrant is issued by a judge, that warrant is delivered to the proper law. Pila ka valid? 10 days. Validity. Code of Hammurabi nila. Prosecution. Provincial. Function, public attorney, historical, appellate justice, dito sa prosecutor. The public prosecutor shall conduct preliminary investigation to determine probable cause karon kay prima facie with certain conviction naman. To file information to the court. The accused may move to quash the complaint or information as provided in section 3. Move to quash kay kanang ipabasura dito. Ano siya marap. Pagkawa ba? Ngan. In of the following grounds that a fact charge do not constitute an offense.